What's up, guys? My name is Jay Ulovsky, and on my channel I talk about photography, Lightroom, Photoshop, and even a little bit of video and video editing. So if you like those and you're interested in it, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, I wanted to talk about what do you do when your multicam edits don't line up. In the last video, we talked about how to take multiple angles and edit them together in Davinci Resolve. Well, I had a little issue the first time I tried it where I couldn't get the things to line up. It didn't automatically line up. I guess the audio wasn't good enough and things didn't line up. So how do you fix that? I looked around a lot and I couldn't find anywhere that told me specifically how to do it, although I figured out how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make adjustments to your multicam clip in Davinci Resolve. So let's jump over to the computer and check it out. So in Resolve here, we have our multicam clip. Now I've already gone ahead and set up a multicam clip. If you're not sure how to do that or you need to know how to do that, check out my last video and I explained the whole process there of how to make a multicam clip. It's pretty easy. So here I've already made the clip and I have two pieces of video in here that make up the multicam clip, which you can see on the left-hand side of the screen here, angle 1 and angle 2. And the problem that I have is they don't line up. Even right here on the first part where on the timeline here where I'm at, you can see I got the back of my head on this one and the front of my face on this one, and I'm just going to play through it. And if you look at these two screens on the left hand side here, you're going to see they don't match up, and sometimes that happens. Davinci Resolve doesn't always get the clips lined up perfectly. So I was having a problem. I didn't know how to fix that, and I was doing a lot of searching online and I didn't have any luck figuring out how to fix that or seeing other people do it. So that's what I'm going to show you here. So I play the video.
What's up, guys? My name is Jay.
You can see we have the audio going, and you can see they don't line up. It's pretty obvious right here. So how do we edit that? How do we make our two clips line up? So we can adjust this manually. So I'm just going to make my timeline a little bit bigger here. In order to do that, I want to select my timeline or my multicam clip down here in the timeline. I'm going to right-click and come up to Open in Timeline. So now that opens up my multicam clip and I can see all the different tracks within that multicam clip. So I can come over here and I see I have my two clips. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. And let's just start at the beginning. I'm going to put source over here. Is that going to give me what I want? It's not. So we're just going to close that window right now. So I want to line these up. So if I turn off my top clip, you can see they don't line up at all. So let's see. So what I want to do is I can, now that I'm inside this multicam clip, I can just drag this and move it around. And I actually want to grab the audio with it to make sure everything moves together. So I can slide this around, and what I found helpful was to look at the waveforms and try and match it up like that. So when I look at the waveform right here, I see that that kind of looks like this right over here. So I'm going to grab this clip here from angle 2 and I'm going to drag it over and see if I can get it to line up with these waveforms. So right here, I'm going to zoom in on my timeline, and I'm going to slide this back and see if I can line that up. So now I'm going to turn off, use this button right here to turn off my angle 2 just to see where I am on my angle 1 channel here, or angle 1 clip. So it looks like it's pretty close.
What's up, guys? My name is Jay.
Play it. And it looks pretty good. So I'm going to leave this right here for now. I'm going to save it with Command S. Now to get back to my regular timeline, I can either double click here on my on this timeline tab, or down on the bottom here, multicam test footage is what I called this particular timeline that I started working with. So I'm just going to double click that. Now I'm back to my multicam clip where I can click this little button up over here, and it's going to give me two screens. I want to come over here. I'm going to select multicam. It's going to give me both angles, and as I fast forward a little bit, it looks like I'm actually going to mute this just so we can watch here, and you can hear me over top of it. Now I'm going to watch these two angle 1 and angle 2 images on the left, and it looks like they're synced up pretty well. I think they're in sync, and now we can just go through, select the angle we want to see, just like I mentioned in the last video, and it's going to cut to that particular angle whenever I click the angle I want to see. And it's going to automatically make those cuts in the timeline below. So I hope this was helpful in showing you how to adjust your multicam clip when Davinci Resolve doesn't quite get it right and it doesn't line up the clips perfectly. So I thought that this would be helpful because I couldn't find anything out there that told me how to do this until I kind of poked around in the multicam clips and figured, hey, maybe I can just move it and then save it, and it actually worked. So if you like photography, Photoshop, and Lightroom, and even a little bit of video and video editing, please subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.